Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have 10 minutes of arms, and fun fact, when I recorded this video, I completely forgot to do the audio. So I'm doing a voiceover, so if you notice that my voice is not matching my mouth, please do not mind. We're gonna keep moving and grooving. We have 10 different arm exercises. I'm gonna be using no weights, but if you'd like to level up, you can use either a 2 or 3 pound weight. Those arms are gonna be elevated for quite a bit of time. You'll do 10 exercises for 50 seconds total, and you'll get a 10-second break in between each movement. So with that, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, first up, you're gonna take your feet wide, bring your hands up to a goal post. You're just gonna squeeze into the chest and then press back to that goal post. Here we go. All right, nice work, you guys. You're gonna bring your arms back to that goal post. You're just gonna flip your palms down, and then you come back to that goal post, feeling it in the tops of those shoulders. Take those 10 seconds of rest, and here we go.
And now my love for you is so strong.
And rest. Awesome. Okay, you guys, moving right along. You're gonna be in that goal post yet again. We're gonna press overhead, stacking the palms, and then you pull back down, alternating which palm is in front, and those arms stay slightly in front of our body. Here we go. Rest. Awesome work. Okay, we are going to bring those arms out from the shoulders, bend the elbows, palms face up, and you're going to take a circle as you carve out those biceps. Here we go. And rest those arms. Okay, those arms are gonna be in the same position you just were. You're just gonna tap the arms into the center 2 times and then slide it back open, really focusing on squeezing that chest. Here we go. breathe. Okay, next up, we are gonna take those arms yet again in that same position. You're just gonna find a little extension and then the bend, really squeezing those biceps and shoulders. Here we go. Relax. Okay, those arms are now going to come into a T with your palms facing back. So pinkies are up and you're going to press back as you squeeze into your upper back, but keep your core engaged. Here we go. Take a rest, you guys. Those arms are gonna come back in that same position. This time you're just gonna take a little lift. So keeping the work in that back, here we go. Those arms. All right, we're moving on to the tricep. So we're gonna hinge forward from the waist, draw your abs in, reach the arms behind you, palms are facing in. You go from a little Y and then you squeeze back behind the spine. So it's open, squeeze shut. Here we go. Rest, you guys. We got one more for good luck. We are gonna stay hinged forward, back into those triceps. You're just gonna take a tiny lift with those strong, straight arms. Here we go. guys. All right, that is all we've got for you today. Hopefully you got those arms working and warm. And if you like this video, send me a comment below, and we will see you back next time.